Hi, so today we are going to go over this website called Science Kids. It is a website that is great for elementary age students who would like to learn a lot more about science. And we're going to play one of the games today. So, right now we are on the home page and we're going to go over to this Games tab and we're going to click on it. Now we're going to scroll all the way down, and since we are learning about food chains, we're going to play the food chains game. So we're going to click on this and then we're going to scroll down. Now it says to try this, and we are going to click OK, and it has the directions for the game up here in this blue bar, and it says spot and click on 8 different living things in the woodland habitat. So we're going to click, now that we have gotten all of our animals, we are going to hit OK and move on to the next thing. It says now, can you name the living things that you have collected? Click on each magnifying glass to find out more. So if there was any of these animals you weren't sure about or that you just wanted to learn a little more about, you could click on this magnifying glass. And so here it says it is a thrush, and it has a description of where it lives, what it eats it, and just small facts about it. So once we're done with that, we hit close, and it says, and then we go over to this arrow and we hit next. And it says click sorter 1. Can you drag the living things into the right spaces of the food web? So we hit sorter 1, and it says drag the living things into the right spaces to complete the food web. And so the owl would go here, the fox would go here, all the bugs would go down here, the bird would go up here, the tree would go here, and the snail, or the squirrel, would go here. So we said, well done, and it asked us to go to sorter 2. So we hit OK, and we go to sorter 2. Now it says drag 4 of the animals into the right spaces by answering the questions in the key. So the animals we will be choosing from are these in the right column that are highlighted. And so it asks, does it fly? If that is a yes, none of these animals fly except for the bird. Now it says, does it have legs? So we go out of these 3 animals, only the fox has legs. Does it have a shell? Yes, the snail has a shell, and the worm does not. So once we're done with that, we click OK, we go to the spotter button, and we're back to the beginning, and you're done.